In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search layouts here in Canva. Now, these aren't technically layouts, they're more of templates, and Canva has thousands. Now, to find these is relatively easy. What you want to do when you're on the Canva homepage is come over to templates just here. Then, once you click on there, it's going to bring you to this page. Now, over here on the left-hand side is lots of different templates. So if we click on there, we can choose niche specific ones. So we can go for business, social media, education, video, marketing, and many more. Now, what we can also do is just scroll through these to see if there's anything that we like. Now, we can also just use the search bar up here, and then you can type in anything that you're searching for. So what we can do is put something along the lines of Valentine's, just like that. Now you can put anything like Facebook, Instagram, PDFs, planners, whatever type of layout that you're looking for, you can go very niche specific. But nonetheless, once you've done that, we simply click enter, and then it's going to pull up lots of different templates for that keyword. Now, as you can see, these are all Valentines, and if we scroll through here, there's lots of ones that we can use. So if you like the layout of one of these, you can choose the one that you like. Now, let's go with this. Let's click on here, because underneath the one that you click on, you're going to get lots of recommended templates, as you can see. So you might end up liking one of these instead. So if I click on there and I want to use this, we can simply click on customize this template. It's going to open in a brand new project just like this. And then we can go through to fit this to our own needs. So we can click on anything here and we can delete it. If we wanted to delete that, we can delete it just like that. If we want to add text where there's already text, we can double click and put anything that we want. We can also click onto the text, come up to the fonts, and then change the font as well, because everything about this is completely customizable, and that's why they're templates. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to search layouts here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.